May balik na king bangsa ay Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ibat king kayong working visit king Amerika manibat inyang April 10 hanggang April 14. At king mumunang pamikatagun, may kapami sabi pilata ng US President Joe Biden, Japan Prime Minister Fumio Kishida at PBBM. May kasundula kanureni amisaw-psaw para king payapa at progresibong Indo-Pacific region.
During our meeting, we reaffirmed our commitment to a peaceful, secure, and prosperous Indo-Pacific. We are guided by our shared values of democracy, the rule of law, human rights, and gender equality. We explored ways of enhancing our cooperation in a number of areas of mutual concern, including in enhancing economic resilience and security, promoting inclusive growth and development, addressing climate change, and maritime cooperation.
Inanunsyo na namang PBBM ang pangako na ng US at Japan at suporta ka ng proyektong pang-infrastruktura at digital connectivity king Pilipinas para pasikinangan ang ekonomiya at seguridad. Apart kang global infrastructure and investment at open radio access network, apikasunduan mo naman king Philippines-US-Japan Trilateral Summit meeting impamagtrain ka rin Pilipino king semiconductor ang pang energy industry. Makanyan mo naman ang pamanlublan ng bangsa king Mineral Security Partnership Forum.
During our meeting, the US and Japan announced their support for the infrastructure development and connectivity in the Philippines through the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment, the implementation of Open Radio Access Network in the Philippines, workforce development for the semiconductor industry, capacity building in the peaceful uses of nuclear energy, and the Philippines' membership in the Mineral Security Partnership Forum.
May kikitya naman ni PBBM karemyalo ang aguman iba't king private sector. Kalupunan ng Ultra-Safe Nuclear Corporation, Japan Chamber of Commerce and Industry at Google.
I reiterated a clear message. The Philippines is open to US businesses. Furthermore, I emphasized that trilateral cooperation between the US, Japan, and the Philippines is a natural progression of the strong relations between close allies.
Ako, Inke Koy Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.